Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to view watch history on Peacock TV account. To view your watch history on Peacock TV, first of all open up your preferred web browser. Inside the URL box, type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Peacock TV account, and once you're inside, navigate to your home screen and scroll down where you can see the continue watching option. This section should list all the shows and movies that you recently watched. So that is how you will be able to see the shows and movies that you've watched recently on Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.